Hello again, loves. Rebecca here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to day 5 of Follow a Sketch February. This is put on by Sandy, who is the lovely Steak Goddess here on YouTube. She's also the owner of Scrapping Reflections. Head over to that shop and check it out. So this is our layout sketch today. I just did my nails and I got a piece stuck there. I do like the dip coat myself, you guys. And sometimes I don't get it all off. Anyway, digress. Sorry. So this is actually it right here. It is supposed to be a 2-page layout. I'm not into all that. So I'm actually just going to make this one. As you can see, I think I can condense it down to 1. And we're going to be using our How to Kill a Kit with Style for quarter 1 because we are scrapping I think this is the last of my 2022, which is our trip to Vegas when Sam turned 21. He's actually 21 here. He turned 21 a few times in the air because, you know, time kept rolling back as we got over to the West Coast there. But our flight, we were actually supposed to be in Vegas several hours in advance. But so I've got him here in front of the Las Vegas sign at the airport, and then this is my little fam. So that's my mom, my son, my hubs, and my dad. That's my big dad. That's my widow mom. But then again, you know, my son's like 6'4", 6'5", so these guys are about 6'1", 6'2", but yeah, Sam towers over everyone. And then here is Vegas from our taxi, which I will have layouts about that guy as well. So all the items that I've pulled in to use, I've got 3 little metal bits that say Joy, Hope, and Cherish with some brads over here. I need something. I'm gonna have to move my microphone. My microphone is like super heavy. Okay. All right. It's got paint all over it. I found these at the Target dollar spot eons ago. Man, how cute is that? And they're not dirty. They've got ink all over them, you guys, from splattering. Everything in my room has splatters on them. All right, so we've got that. Then I've pulled in these. I don't intend to use them all, but they're little vellum tags. These are a whole bunch of fussy cut items, or items that need to still be fussy cut in here. So maybe they are all fussy. No, they're not. So they're like luggage and stuff like that. So that's kind of cool. I've pulled in these Field Trip from Chamel. How old are those, you guys? Like, seriously, 2019. We've got some enamel dots that I have no idea where they're from, but it looks like there was all kinds of little fun stuff on that sheet at one time. I've pulled in these little film frames. I've pulled in the sticker book. I've got to stop buying the sticker books. I struggle with these. I struggle with them hardcore. I've got, again, the Fancy Pants Designs Just Plain Fun. Still trying to get those used up. Really impressed with what's left. You guys remember I had 2 massively full packs, and now we just got those. I've got these. I won these at Bella Boulevard. I thought I cut that. That's weird because I've used it, and I usually do this. And then I can just easily get into it. So I have used some items, see if I can pull anything out of there. I picked these up somewhere along the line on sale from probably Michael's. Does it have a date on these? But they have been 2012, hanging out with me for quite some time. I've pulled in these, which was in my December How to Kill a Kit with Style, and I just put that away so I match the mood and feel. These are from the fall collection from Bella that just came out. I've got this sticker sheet here. I've got this sticker sheet here. And then I've pulled in a plethora of papers that I would like to try to use. So I thought this would be good because there's already, my bad, there's already a circle in this one, and there's a circle that we need on the back over here. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to figure some stuff out and figure out what papers I want to use, but I do want to use these scraps and such, but that's where we're at. So let me do a little bit more pulling together of what I really want to bare bones it down to and use on this. I would like to use this blue, the pink, not really gonna work. Got a lot of those. Do you guys do this too? So I don't know. So we'll figure this out. So let me go ahead and do that, and I'll be right back. All right. So this is what we've got. Because the sketch is a 2-page sketch, I went ahead and condensed it into 1. So we've got the circle element in the background, and I've got 3 photos, doot doot and doot. So kind of, you know, pulling it from there. And then I took from that sticker sheet the R trip and the little letter stickers to finish the title, To Vegas. And then I did create a shaker pocket using Spiegelmom Scraps Snow Vibes. And that was just a frame that was already on the sticker sheet. And I backed it with a little thing that says, I heard it's your birthday. And then I can't hope it's a good day or something, but it's this moment. And that's where we're at right now. So I did pull these to use, but I'm not real sure if we're going to be able to get those on there now that I have everything down. But I can probably get one stuck there, huh? So let's... Ooh, those are stickers. Get out of town. That like made me really happy. I don't know if you guys got that. And it's been a very astronomically rough week at work. Actually a rough few days. And I still have to work again tomorrow. Oh goodness. So we're just gonna push through. So let's get that one stuck there. And then we'll get the other one somehow, some way. It's really cool that those are stickers though. Do we want to stick it there? Yeah, let's just go for it. We'll just get it stuck right in there. So that's where we'll do our 2 clusters. Now I did have this one. I can probably pop it. Let's do that. So I'm gonna use that one because I don't know if I want to bring that pink in. So we get that stuck right there. Just for a little bit more dimension. Oh, not my day. See, you guys, that's just not been good for me. I don't even remember where I got these little things at. But do we ever remember? All right. Okay, I can get that back up. I kind of want it to tilt. Okay. So let's see what we got in the sticker book. Do I want to use an arrow? Feel like we can put this right here and then get this little fun let's go on there. You just kind of layer that up because it's like let's go. That commercial plays in my head for some reason just at that moment. Let's go ahead and get these little Dice-A-Rooski kind of stuck in there. And what else? What else? What else? Well, that's, oh, it's a king. It's 17. They should have done 21. What's wrong? I know that's supposed to be a bowling ball. What if we pull that up and we get that stuck there? Bring that one over there. So I'm just kind of looking through things in here and what we have. This is like all little fun things. Bring in so much fun. And then all this is just fun stuff. We're gonna hold off because we have other things that I pulled out that I would like to get on here. Lots of this little fussy cut stuff. It's just kind of pulling some of these bags. Let's get this one. I think that one's going to be different. Okay, and then we can, well, we all knew that was going to happen as soon as I stuck it down, right? But that's okay. And I'm going to use the luggage for the base. Okay. And then this one we're going to put over here. I'm just going to the sticker, by the time I'm done, isn't going to stick anymore. And then we're going to get one up here. So we're going to pull that sticker up yet again. Yes, I know. You guys are probably going, why? And I'm like, I don't know. It's who I am, you know? And we're just going to stick that little star guy right back in there. I don't need that one. So I just want to build the clusters up a little bit, and I did have these. I actually don't know if they're, I'm gonna hold off on those. What do we got here? Stick that one there. Now the reason I stuck it there is because there's that weird little gap right there that I created. These don't stick very well, so we're just going to bring this in like so. For me, it's as long as I get a few things used here and there, I would be happy. I do have these. I could actually get one in every little cluster. All right, where's my pokey tool? Almost pokeyed myself. All right. That's a lot of paper that I'm going through. And then we've got our brads. Okay, so that one's there. And I've got a 22. I got a concert sweatshirt on. And I keep seeing that and I keep thinking I've got something stuck on me. Which would not be all that impossible to believe. And one more. So getting a lot of fun things. What was my prompt for today? Oh, black. You guys don't have any. Oh, I do have black in the. I heard it's your birthday. So I feel like that might be a bit on the cheating side. I don't remember where I got those, so I'm just going to stick them in one of these little chains right there. And then put the pokey tool away before I pokey myself. And make sure we seal up these guys because they might scratch or catch or do something weird. Also, I don't put my layouts away right away. You guys know that. I do it maybe twice a year, sometimes 3 times. It really just all depends on what I have going on. And it's like my least favorite part of scrapbooking. All right. So I do want to use all of these up. That's actually what I want to do. So we're just going to put one of every color in each of the clusters. And that's used up. How old is that? Did we decide how old that was? 2019. So feeling good about that. I'm putting all of this stuff away as I use it because it's kind of how I operate. And then we can come in with a little dots kind of around the little beak drawers and the bigger clusters. And I'll save those. All of these can just kind of go back. And that's gonna do it. So I did get black on there because it's in my wordies. So that was my prompt, and our sketch is complete. So don't forget to check everyone else out that is playing along with Sandy's Follow a Sketch February, and this was day 5, and my personal prompts. But yeah, I really like this. I know it seems a little busy, but it's really not. I mean, we have a cluster and there's kind of some stuff going on, but I'm back on my more is more kick, right? Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, and I'll check you later with another video. Bye.